Welcome! In this video we will be showcasing how to use our on-screen guides and access other helpful resources to help you master our application. Let's get started. To begin, let's take a look at the question mark icon. This icon can be found in the upper right-hand side of the screen. Click to trigger the on-screen tour that will guide you around the application and highlight relevant features. Let's take a look at how the tour interface looks by pressing the question mark icon. When pressed, you will see 5 items with a Start Tour button on the right. Each is a tour and can be started from this space, and when complete, it will show complete. Let's start the Start a Form tour. Now you will see the on-screen tooltips explaining what the feature is and how to interact with it. When each tour is completed, you will see a completed tag next to the title. You can then choose to replay tours if you need to review how to use a particular feature. If you need more information regarding a specific topic, feature, or just want to learn more, you can access our online knowledge center that has a number of articles and visual aids, or you can use our YouTube channel to find other informative videos. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video informative.